Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Now let's start today's session, and this session for class UKG, subject maths, lecture number 4, and topic will be counting 101 to 140, means 101 से 140 तक. Now चैप्टर नंबर 2. चैप्टर 2 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट में हमने लिखना सीखा था, बोलना सीखा था. इन चैप्टर 2 में हम सारे जो काउंटिंग है, हमारा प्रीवियस वर्क है, वो हम रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. नाउ ओपन योर नोटबुक. यस, योर होमवर्क पेज. Yes, I have opened. It's your homework. Yes, it's your classwork, but in your notebook you have opened your homework. Okay, now let's speak with me counting 181 to 200. 181 से 200 तक हम काउंटिंग पहले रिवाइज करेंगे. देन वी विल स्टार्ट टुडेज वर्क. वी विल डू काउंटिंग 101 to 140. Okay, now let's speak with me. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप अपनी नोटबुक ओपन करके उसमें पेंसिल रख के बोलें, बट यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली एंड स्पीक विद मी. आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे और बोलेंगे, ये जरूरी है. इट्स मैंडेटरी. ओके, नाउ स्पीक विद मी. 181. वेरी गुड. नाउ स्पीक लाउडली. 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Now in second row, speak with me. 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. It's 200. Now I hope you have learned counting 101 to 200. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सबको लर्न हो गई होगी काउंटिंग 101 से 200 तक. So now open your notebook. जिन्होंने ओपन कर ली है वो अपना ब्लैंक पेज निकालें. Turn your page. Yes, write down date. D should be capital, then A small, T again small, A. D-A-T-E, date. Now leave one box and write down here D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y means day. D-A-T-E, date means दिनांक. Day means दिन. एंड यहाँ पे आप कौन सी डेट और डे मेंशन करेंगे? Whenever you do this work, you have to date and day according to that day, means उस दिन की, that day, उस दिन की आप डेट और डे मेंशन करेंगे जब ये काम करेंगे. Now here write down class work. C should be capital, then L A double S. You have to write like this. Okay, then write down W O. Next word is R K. class वर्क. इसको भी मेंशन तब करेंगे जब आप मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हैं. Whenever you do this work with me, ठीक है, मेरे साथ, तब आप क्लास वर्क लिखेंगे. And whenever you do this work yourself, जब आप खुद काम करते हैं इवनिंग में तो क्या लिखेंगे? यस, वंडरफुल, यू हैव टू राइट HW, आप लिखेंगे HW. नाउ here write down C. C should be capital, O small, U also small, N again small letter, T I N G. Counting. COUNTING, counting. Then leave one box and write down 101 means 101. Then make sleeping line and write down 140, 140 means 140. So now come this side and write down here H for 100, T for tens, and O for ones. 100 tens ones. Okay, now write down here 101. It's 101. Now write down 102, 102, 103, 103. Now write down 104. It's 104. Just write down again 105, 105. Then write down 106, 106. Now here 107, 107, 108, 108, 109, 109. Now here 110, 110. Here 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now here write down H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. 100 tens ones. Now write down 1 1 1 means you have to write triple 1, 3 bar 1. It makes 111. Now write down here again, and you have to write neat and clean in your notebook. 112. It's 112. 113. 113. 114. 14. 114. 115. Like this. 115. 116. 116. 117. 117. 118. 118. Here 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118. Now write down here 1. What comes here? 1, 1, 9. Like this. 119. And again write down here 1, here 2, here 0. 120. 120. Again leave one box. X. Write down here H for 100, T for tens, O for ones. 100 tens ones. Now write down 1, 2, 1. 121. 1, 2, 2. 122. Now here write down 1. Again write down 2 like this. Then here write down 3. Slipping line, slanting line, curve. 123. Now here 1. Again write down 2, 4. You have to write like this. Then 124. 1, 2. What comes here? 5. So you have to write here 5. 125. Then write down 1, 2, 6 like this. 126. 1, 2, 7. 127. 1, 2, 8. 128. 1, 2, 9. 129. 1, 3, 0. 130. 130. Now here again leave one box and write down H. H for 100. T for tens. O for ones. 100, tens, ones. So now you have to write here. What comes here? Yes, very good. Wonderful. 1, 3, 1. It's 131. Now here 1, 3, 2. 132. 1, 3. And write down again 3. 133. 1, 3, 4. 134. So write down here 1, again 3. You have to write neat and clean. 5. 135. 1, 3, 6. 136. 1, 3, 7. 137. 137. Now here write down 1, 3, 8. 138. Now here write down 1, 3, 9. 139. Now here what comes here? Wonderful. 140. 140. Now have you completed? Yes, I have completed. Now it's your counting 101 to 140. 101 से 140 तक. So let's revise once again. एक बार फिर से revise कर लें. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. But you have to speak fastly. Okay. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now here 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. 120. Now here 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Yes, 130 means 130. Now here in this row 131, very good, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. 140. Now it's time to your homework. आपके होमवर्क लिखने का टाइम है. So write down here H for home, W for work, then make sleeping line and write down L should be capital, E small letter, A again small letter, R again small letter, and N also small letter. Now slash and write down here R should be capital. Then here E small letter, W small letter, R also small, I again also small, then T, E, both are small letters. So learn and rewrite. याद करना है और दोबारा लिखना है. Now leave one box and write down here T H E, the. Write down here C dot W. Learn and rewrite the classwork how many times? Yes, twice, means two time classwork and 2 time homework. 2 time classwork and 2 time homework. It's your homework and you have to learn counting 101 to 200. I have already told ना, मैं पहले आपको पढ़ा चुकी हूँ ना. Yes. Now subscribe this channel if you like my video, this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.